Hello students, welcome to standard 6th mathematics class. Today we are going to see the further part of chapter 1, basic concepts in geometry. Okay, so now let's begin. So the other day, before we begin, the other day we had finished seeing some concepts like collinear points, non-collinear points. Before that we had seen lines, segment, as well as we had seen rays. Okay, and we had seen a point from which infinite lines pass through a given point. We had seen all those things, right? So those are called as concurrent lines, and the point through which all the lines pass is called as concurrent point. Okay, or point of concurrence. It is called as point of concurrence, right? So now let us see the further things. Now here we are going to see flat surface. So I have drawn two figures for you. One is a table, of course. You can recognize this is a table, and this is a cylinder. Okay, your gas cylinder. So which is a flat surface, a table or a cylinder? Of course, this top of a table is a flat surface. Okay. And this is a curved surface. This is a curved surface. And this is a flat surface. Okay. So this is the basic difference between a flat surface and a curved surface. So in mathematics, remember flat surface, we call a flat surface, there is a special name, you can say it is a plane. What? Plane, plane. Plain, no. Plane, plane means plateau like flat. Okay, it can be horizontal flat, or if I tilt this table like this, or you can see this entire board. Entire board is a plane. This board, blackboard is a plane, remember. Blackboard is a plane. So I hope you have understood the concept of flat surface and a curved surface. Flat surface can be called as a plane. Okay. Now there is one more concept which we already know, that is parallel lines. But I will for parallel lines. What are parallel lines? What are parallel lines? Lines. The definition for parallel lines is lines in one plane. Suppose I am drawing a line on this board, two lines, two or more lines. So these are the lines in one plane. So board is our plane. If you extend this plane, I can extend this side, I can extend this side, I can extend this side. Even lines, lines are also infinite plane. This is extending on left hand as well as right hand. This also. Okay, and what are parallel lines? If these two lines will never meet each other, will never crisscross or never intersect is the correct word, intersect each other, okay, they will never come together in one single plane. The lines in a plane which never intersects, or they don't come together, they don't join, then these two lines are called as parallel lines. Remember, for example, in your notebook, see all these ruled lines. So the notebook is your plane, for example. Okay, whether these lines are joining each other or intersecting each other, no. So these are all parallel lines. Okay, now for example, your board. So this top line and this line, they are parallel lines. Okay, this side one line is there and this side one. These are also parallel lines. So this is one pair of parallel pair, and this is also one parallel pair of lines. Okay, so remember, parallel lines are the lines which don't intersect in a given plane. Okay, lines in a plane which don't intersect. So these are called as, or those lines are called as parallel lines. Okay, students, here we have to answer whether these two lines are intersecting lines or parallel lines, whether in three different scenarios are there. Okay, 3 different types of cases are there. In this case, whether this line is these two lines are intersecting lines or parallel lines. So this, we know they have crisscrossed each other, they have joined each other, they have passed through each other. Therefore, these are intersecting lines. Okay, intersecting lines. Now these two lines, see, they are, all the distance between them is same everywhere. You can see. So they will never meet each other. They will never join each other in the given plane. In this plane, if we extend this plane also, they will never join. So this type of lines, this line and this line, is called as the, every time the distance between, say suppose it is 5 centimeter, then this distance will also become 5 centimeter. Any other distance between them, everywhere it will be 5 centimeter. It might be different also, 7 also, 8 also, 100 also, whatever. But the distance will remain same everywhere. So such kind of lines are called as parallel lines. So these are parallel lines. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L, parallel lines. And these two lines, are they parallel or are they intersecting? Are they parallel or are they intersecting lines? So see now, if I extend this line, it will meet here somewhere. If I extend this plane, this will come and meet. So, if the lines are meeting each other, if you extend the plane or extend the lines, then those lines will be called as intersecting lines. Parallel lines, they will never meet each other, never join each other. Okay, so this is also intersecting lines. Okay, so I hope you have understood the difference between parallel lines and intersecting lines. Fine. Now, for example, we will see sometimes we play Kho-Kho. Okay, when we play Kho-Kho, so all the students are standing in one line. Okay, so that line or the students, if you consider the students are points on the line, then the students are called as collinear points. Okay, because they are standing on a straight line, they are called as collinear points. Now next, if you are standing, suppose there is a football match. There is a football match. Now we take our position. The 11 players are there. One is a goalkeeper and 10 are on the field. So they will be standing at different places, right? One will be standing as backy, then one will be in defense, one will be as forward. Are they standing in straight line? No. So their positions are different positions. So they are all non-collinear. They are not standing on a straight line. So we can call them, they are non-collinear points. If we consider the players as points then. Okay. Now you would have, in school, you would have had a running race. Okay, on sports day and all. Right? Athletics, running race. So there are, see, you have to run in one particular row only. So those lines are drawn, correct? They are all parallel lines. You have to run through your track only, the track which is drawn. Okay, those lines are there. You can see they are parallel lines. So everywhere on field also you will find mathematics. Okay, so whichever game you choose, carom board or chess also is divided into 64 proper squares. Then if you will see on ground, whichever ground you take, all are having a proper measurement. Okay, then you cannot, the football ground are have proper measurement, kabaddi, kho-kho, everywhere. The lanes and the distances are all standardized. Okay, fine. Okay.